Well, hello again, dualtron family. How's everybody doing? Today, we're doing a little special project, installing the rear off-road tire in the back of the Dualtron X. Already installed the front one. Took it out for a test drive. Oh boy. If any one of you decides to do that, what a amazing treat. I went on actually to test it. I took it on grass. It was wet grass, where I usually, if I hit the throttle, I land straight on my ass. The traction is just simply nuts. It's insane. Completely changed the scooter. I suspect this is going to be absolutely insane off-road. Insane. So here's the tire. It's gonna go in the back. There's a few things you need to do. You do not have to buy a new wheel. Just need a tire, some tire tools. Don't do this without these guys. Don't be a dumb like me. I did the front one without it. I kind of nicked the rim, and if you nick the rim, you're gonna have a leak. So I had to use a fix-it flat to fix it. So if you're doing this job and that happens to you, what you need to do, buy one of these, shake the bottle for 30 seconds, okay? Then you're gonna have the valve stem. Where is it? This guy. You're gonna have it all the way down. You're gonna have it right there. Sorry, I didn't have the camera on it, but it's the valve stem. Have it at the 6 o'clock position. You're gonna screw this thing in. You're gonna hold it in there. So what I had to do, because the valve on that is not long enough, I actually had to cut this off. So I fed it in there, filled it up to 40 psi, fills it up with the good stuff, with the liquid. Then once you're done, put the cap on, turn the scooter on, and put it at the max speed, and just make it spin for, I'd say, probably about a minute, so you could make sure the fluid is even inside the wheel. That way you don't get any speed wobbles. Now, going back to the back, what do you have to do in order to remove the wheel? You gotta unplug this guy from here. Remember, when you go to plug it, the yellow goes with the yellow, the green goes with the blue goes with the green. Otherwise, you're gonna have this wheel turn in the opposite direction of the front wheel, and I don't think you can get anywhere with that. Also, when you unplug these guys, okay, the wires are also opposite. So when you go to plug it, before you take the pins off, okay, take a picture of it, and if you forget, when they go together, okay, they're opposite. So if you flip it like this, they're the same colors. So make sure you plug it opposite of each other. So now to remove this guy, I have Magura brakes here, so I just remove this one. I loosened this one up. I can't take it off because I modified this guy so it can sit lower into the groove. I have insane braking on this guy. You touch the rear brakes and it locks so quick. In any case, I'm gonna undo the bolts from here, pull it out. You're gonna take this guy out. In order to take this guy out, you have to take this pin off. Once I take it off, I'm gonna deflate the tire. I have a C-clamp. I will clamp it with a C-clamp so you can expose the bead, and then you work the tire just like you would any car tire or motorcycle tire. Work it with these guys to take it off. I put some grease around the bead of the tire. Work it in. You have to use some muscle. It was a pain to do that one. I had to put a lot of strength into it, and I got some pretty decent muscles, man. And that was not easy. I was gonna tell you, if you're not physically strong, it's gonna be a pain. Maybe you need to get a second hand, somebody else to help you with it, because this is a small tire. There's very little flex here. Most of you guys that I've seen riding these scooters are pretty strong, so hopefully you'll be okay. In any case, you're gonna put one side, press on it, work it, and then you're gonna help yourself with those guys. Push it in, push the other side, reverse the process, feed the cable back in here, install this guy. Remember, I told you these are opposite. The green goes with the blue goes with the green, the yellow goes with the yellow. Reverse the process. Put the lid back on. I have a seat on it. And then you should be done. All right, wish me luck.